Yeah, find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting a tail. Okay. Now consider this part. Coin is tossed once. That means when a coin tossed like this, okay, first right, coin has two sides. One side it is like lions. Just 1 minute, I will take. Yeah. See, you have seen right coin. The coin number is there, no, like 2 rupees, 1 rupees like that. This is Indian coin. The coin number 2 is there, no. So this is called tail, and there is lion symbol. So that side is called head. Okay. The question saying when a coin is tossed once, that means if you toss a coin like this, okay, that time only once they are telling, only once, not two times, three times and all, only once. When coin tossed like this, okay, what is the probability of getting hit? Okay, that's the question. And also we have to find the probability of getting a tail. Okay, now first we will see this probability of getting hit. Let E be the event of getting hit. So getting hit is a event, so that we will take it as E, probability of event E. Here this is the formula, general formula for probability of any event, event. In place of event I can take just E, then it will become P of E. Okay. This formula is P of event is equal to, that means probability of any event is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E whole divided by total number of possible outcomes. So using this formula we need to find the probability of getting hit. See, first we will consider first in we want probability of getting hit, right? So according to this formula, this P as T is P of, in place of event I will write head, because we want probability of getting head. You can write getting head or just head, no problem. So equal. Now consider this denominator, this total number of possible outcomes. First I will write this line, division line. Okay. First we will find out total number of possible outcomes. That means, see, coin has two sides. One is head, another one is tail. When a coin tossed like this, we will get either a head or we will get a tail. There are two chances. Okay, total is 2. So total number of possible outcomes is 2. Next, now we have to find out this number of outcomes favorable to E. E means event. Here which event we are considering? Head. I mean getting head. So for getting head, what are the number of outcomes favorable to E means getting head. Okay, that you have to find out here. So we are discussing about getting head. Okay. Okay. Now see, when a coin tossed first time, we can get head once, only once. When a coin tossed second time also we can get a head. So there is a chance. So first time if you toss a coin, you can get a head. Chance is there. Second time when you toss a coin, second time also you can get a head, chances is there. So when coin tossed two times, chances of getting head is how many? Two, right? First time when you toss a coin you can get head, second time when you toss a coin you can get head also. There are two chances. So when a coin is tossed two times, number of outcomes favorable to E, that means getting head is 2. Okay na? But this is very important here. See in the question they says coin is tossed once. When a coin tossed only once, we can get head only once. Okay? If coin is tossed two times, we can get head two times. Here they are saying coin is tossed only once we are tossing. So we can get head only once. So number of outcomes favorable to E is, favorable to E. E means here we are considering head, getting head. So 1. So why? Because why 1? I will repeat once again. When a coin tossed only once, we can get head only once. So answer is this. So probability of getting head is 1/2 of. Next, another question. Find the probability of getting a tail. So I will write it as P of tail is equal to this line you write first. Okay. This one, total number of possible outcomes we have to find. So tail means what? It is related to the coin only. So when a coin is tossed, there are only two chances. We will get head or we will get a tail. So two chances. So total number of possible outcomes is 2. Here also 2. Now we will see this number of outcomes favorable to E. E means event. Here in case of head, getting head event is E, but in case of tail we will take F. Let F be the event getting tail. Okay. The event getting head I am taking as E. Okay. The event getting tail I am taking as F. Okay. According to this formula, when we are dealing with getting tail, that time here E changes F. We have to change F. Okay. So number of outcomes favorable to F. Okay. When you consider head, we have to take E. When we consider this tail, we will take F. Okay. So in this you understood this, right? When a coin is tossed once, there are only two chances, getting head or tail. So total number of possible outcomes is 2. Now we have to find out this number of outcomes favorable to F. F means getting tail. See, as I already said, in the case of getting head, when a coin tossed once, you can get tail once. When a coin tossed second time, you can get tail again. So when a coin tossed two times, you can get tail two times. Okay. But here they are telling coin is tossed only once. So when a coin is tossed only once, you can get tail only once. Okay. So number of outcomes favorable to F will become 1 only, because you can get a tail only once when a coin is tossed only once. So this is 1. Okay. So probability of getting it is equal to 1/2 of 1/2 is also called as half. Probability of getting tail also half, 1/2. So same answer we will get for both. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.